Tracking time across multiple clients without confusion can feel like a daunting task, but with the right tools and approach, it's easy to keep everything organized and streamlined. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track time efficiently without making things more complicated than they need to be. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also give you an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today so you can follow along with me. The first step is to choose a system that keeps each client's time separate yet easy to track. While there are plenty of popular software options out there, the one we'll be using today is a game changer for staying organized. It's simple to use and integrates with your calendar, so everything is in one place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to track time for multiple clients without a single mix-up. Start by setting up your clients as separate projects in the software. This is crucial because it keeps each client's time entry isolated, which means you won't accidentally log time under the wrong person. Make sure you name your clients clearly, and if necessary, add specific tags to easily differentiate between similar projects. Next, use the timer feature to log your time. This is the easiest way to ensure you don't lose track of the hours you've spent. When you're working on a task for a particular client, just hit start and let the timer run. Once you finish the task, stop the timer and save the entry to that specific client's project. This eliminates the risk of forgetting how long you've worked or making manual mistakes. Now, if you're someone who prefers working without having a timer running, don't worry. The software we're using also has an option to manually enter time entries, so you can log time at the end of the day without interrupting your workflow. Just make sure to enter it as soon as possible so you don't forget the details. An important step here is to regularly review your time entries to ensure they're accurate. With multiple clients, it's easy to overlook small errors, but a quick review will help you catch anything that doesn't match up with what you remember. Most software has a reporting feature that breaks down your time by client so you can quickly see where your hours are going. The last step is to set up notifications or reminders. This way, you'll stay on top of your time tracking even if you're juggling multiple tasks at once. These reminders will help you stick to your schedule and ensure no client's time is left untracked. Before I wrap up, remember, the software we're using today has an exclusive free trial for viewers of this channel. You can find the link in the description below to get started and follow along with everything I've shown you in this tutorial. Here's the key takeaway. To track time across clients without confusion, the best approach is to create separate projects for each client, use the timer feature to keep everything accurate, and make sure to review your entries regularly. With the right system, managing multiple clients becomes a lot less stressful. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the link below to follow along with the software we've used today. Thanks for watching.